It's not that fucking hard. Swing, snap, rock! Leave me alone! Pause! What is that?
But they're all just jealous of how pretty I am.
How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women friends? Now only dogs will follow me. Is he following? I bite at the hand that feeds me. Slap at the face that eats me. Some kind of animal cannibal.
Design a paper.
I've seen so many comments about this. This is not Dream! This is just supposed to be a depressed dragon who has a happy face on just to cover their face. It's not Dream.
Shimmy, shimmy, you shimmy ya, drank, swallow la la.
Who are you? An angel.
What's your name?
Satan.
I found this poor creature abandoned on the streets. It was malnourished and had no tags, so I took it in. I had to wake up every 2 hours to feed it raw energy, and after a month of care, my creature looks so much healthier.
Я знаю твой телефон, но никогда не позвоню. И дышим мы в унисон и набираем «Я люблю». Ты далеко, далеко смеется даже небеса. Но мне легко, так легко, и верю я в чудеса.
Та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-та-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta
Привет, Ваня. Офицер!
Because if it's a new character, we're gonna have to redo this whole theme song. Whatever you say, kid. Could also mean you just have a jump start and losing your mind.
Some bitches on me. Some bitches on me.
Don't ask questions you don't wanna know.
You took everything from me. Why? Why? Because it's fun.
I took my daughter shopping for supplies to make more paper dragon puppets. She picked out lots of pretty paper. I can't wait to see what she makes out of all this. I love how creative she is. I think she gets it from me. She didn't notice there was more paper behind her. Christmas dragons, why not?
Oh yeah? I can do that too.
Holy shit. And it was all yellow.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Freddy, you're supposed to be on lockdown.
Vanessa, life goes on and on and on.
I like your ears.
Mine?
get this thing. Now this is what the inside looks like. This and like this, and now the inside. Yeah.
You remind me of the babe. Babe with the power. Power of voodoo. You do. Remind me of the babe.
Quiet! A goblin babe.
I'm a pretty girl.
And pretty girls are never lonely.
Because if it's a new character, we're gonna have to redo this whole theme song. Whatever you say, kid. Could also mean you just have a jump start and losing your mind.
Happy Halloween. It's not Halloween. Shut the fuck up.
Huey, Dewey, and Louie? No, their names were supposed to be Jet, Turbo, and Rebel.
I could have been Turbo?
I told Donald. I wrote it down in case no one could understand him.
I could have been Turbo!
Okay, I'm just gonna get one, all right? It's just one, all right? How bad could one be? It's not that expensive. It's not, well, I mean, I have to get it a friend, right? I mean, who's he gonna talk to? He's gonna get bored. And you know, what if they get sick of each other? You know, they need a third guy. And honestly, I have 3. I might as well get the whole set, you know? I mean, like, why not? I mean, just complete it. I mean...
Kill the little guy. They're kind of cute when they're up and about, banging on the walls, yelling to go home.
Do you want to lose all this and go back to the dark place where we had nothing?
Please, sir, I want some more.
Girl, we grew up in the suburbs. Our parents were dentists.
Can you be quiet? I'm trying to sleep.
My beautiful niece is visiting me, and of course we had to create something together. She likes to make paper dragons, so she showed me how to make one. And I showed her how to incorporate elements of nature into her work. It was a long and a very messy process, but we had a lot of fun. She did such a great job. I'm so proud. If you want to see the finished dragons, please go to her profile tag below and show her some love.
Wretch, we're wretch, we're the wretch.
Three, two, one, go!
Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go.
3, 2, 1, go!
And it was all
YOLO!
I got pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like you know. See on both sides like you know.
Is your memory card set correctly?
Shut up, you fucking slut. Jumping is not a class.
You took everything from me. Why? Why? it's fun!
Я тот случай, голову ломай, круче всех сучек, просто понимай, на высоту сам себя поднимай, свою пустоту, но и не заполняй. Я тот случай, голову ломай, круче всех сучек, просто понимай, на высоту сам себя поднимай, свою пустоту, но и не заполняй.
Why sell gold chain? Ratty penthouse, helicopter, fame. What you looking at, baby, is a motherfucking legend in the making. For the rest of your life, I'll be there. I'll be stuck in your head like the roots of your hair.
Children die.
Did you have a good day? Yeah. No, shut up. A good day? Yes. No, shut up. You're supposed to have taken him to the spa. I took him to the spa. He put me in the vegetable steamer.
By blinking in Morse code.
Why are you blinking so much?
I've got something in my eye.
Here, let me get it out.
No, thank you. I don't want to die. Bonjour. Sir was blinking at me. Is this because your date is a freak? No. Very good then. Bon appetit.
I hear a sound. See them in the dark. I know there's someone there. Why don't you believe me? Maybe you're right. But I heard a creak.
Just go back to sleep.
I'm always quick to rage.
So go back to your stage. To be or not to be? That is the question. You and I were meant to be. Don't make me sting you. I'll do it. You need to get out of here. Just kidding. Did you hear about that mother broke her daughter's legs in two and said it's too dangerous out there to walk, so I had to save you. I think it's wrong. I don't put on. Oh my God, I swear we're talking final shots and long. Oh my God, oh my God, I swear I think it's real out there that you should put on. All we did was kiss. Oh my God, I swear we're talking final shots and long. Oh my God, all we did was kiss. Oh my God, I swear.
We're rich. We're the rich.
I need your help. Can you come here?
Well,
I can't. I'm buying clothes.
All right, hurry up, then come over here.
I can't find them.
What do you mean you can't find them?
I can't find them. There's only soup.
What do you mean there's only soup?
I mean there's only soup.
Well, then get out of the soup aisle.
All right, you don't have to shout at me. There's more soup.
What do you mean there's more soup?
There's just more soup.
Then go into the next aisle.
There's still soup.
Where are you right now?
I'm at soup.
What do you mean you're at soup?
I mean I'm at soup.
What store are you in?
I'm at the soup store.
Why are you buying clothes at the soup store?
Frick you!
Happy Halloween. It's not Halloween. Shut the fuck up.
Rats, we're rats, we're the rats.
Twist it, twist it, pull it, twist it, pop it, twist it, twist it. Wow, one.
There is only one rule. Keep the lights on.
I need you to growl for me, okay? Please? It's for the snap, so you have to do it. Yeah, like that, but louder. Louder. Roar my ass. Oh, I was just playing, bro. Ashley!
Look at me.
Wait, toma.
Tomato, tomato.
Toma.
Wait, tomato, tomato. Hey, let me sing, man.
Tell you something.
Yeah, what's going on?
I'm blocked.
Girl. Me too!
Привет, Ваня. Офицер.
Я здесь, папочка!
Привет, Ваня. Офицер!
Hey, Italian man. Huh?
What is going on here? Oh!
Can you guys shut the fuck up here?
Собака!
Honey, don't you love me and you know it makes me sad? It's just a cigarette like you always used to do. I was different then, I don't need them to be cool.
Jax, can I kiss you?
Ew. Lay it on me.
Hey, just double checking. You cleared your calendar for dinner tomorrow night, right? I'm dying to go to that new place. Like, I can't. Oh, sorry. Dinner tomorrow? Me. Yeah! Okay.